Hello everyone, welcome to Baron Technologies YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to be modeling this shell. I hope you like the video. Well, to start, open a new file, part, okay. Select the front plane, sketch. I want to sketch a center rectangle. Smart dimension, we make the length 300 mm. And the breadth 195 mm. Check. Then we extrude. Go to features, extrude boss base, extrude 5 mm. Okay. Now we want to sketch on this face. Normal to center line, midpoint, horizontal line, another center line, midpoint line, a horizontal line, and we want to draw a center rectangle. From the center of this line to an edge, and we dimension this part 5 mm. We want to mirror this rectangle, so we use mirror entities to mirror is the entire rectangle. Select it, mirror about this middle line. Make sure copy is selected, checked, and we have two rectangles, and now we extrude. I want to extrude by 100 mm. Okay. Now click on this face, sketch, have this, and now we want to draw another center line. Midpoint line, draw to here, and another center rectangle. That is sufficient. And then from the center to the end of the center of this to the center of the rectangle. I want to dimension it 90 mm, and then dimension this part 5 mm again, and we have this. Check. I go to features, extrude again, extrude by 100 mm, but change the direction. We check. I want to sketch on this face. Sketch, normal to. We have this. We want to sketch a center line from here to here, a horizontal line, and another horizontal line. That really necessary. Oh, and then from the center we draw another center rectangle. And then use smart dimension, make the dimension from this center to the edge 2.5 mm. And we make this line, this line 2.5 mm, and then dimension this distance again 2.5 mm. Sorry, 4 mm. I want to draw another rectangle, and then dimension the line 2.5 mm. Now we have this with features, extrude cut, and we want to cut inside 2 mm. Check. And we have this thing isometric, so we can see what we've done. And now we want to mirror this. Go to mirrors and features, mirror face of plane. We select the top plane, features to mirror this cut extrude and this boss extrude. Check. And we have this. Let me select this face this time. Sketch. Yeah, and we want to draw several center rectangles again. Small dimension, the distance between this and the center is 45 mm. Same as this, 45 mm. This line 5, 5, 5. Features, extrude boss, extrude by 90 mm. Check. And we have the full body of the shelf. We can add an appearance. I want to add a wooden appearance. I honestly don't know what type of wood I want to add. Select anything really. Okay. And we open a new part. This time to get the model of the doors. So we select front plane, sketch. Another center rectangle. I know we've used a lot of center rectangles in this video. Check small dimension. We make this 150 mm. And this line 178 mm. And we check features, extrude boss, extrude by 2 mm. Size face sketch, Ctrl 8. Offset entities 10. Reverse direction, check. Features, extrude boss. Select contours. This is the part we want to extrude, so we select it. I want to extrude by 0.4 mm. Check. So now we have this. We go to add appearance, add polished ash, okay. And then we need to save these so that we can make an assembly from them. Save at the desktop. Call this shelf door. Okay, shelf door 2. And then we can make an assembly from this part. Save it first. Shelf 1 or shelf 2. Okay. and we have our shelf here. We want to insert the doors, so we go to insert component, shelf.tool, place it. And now we want to assemble the shelf and the door. So we use mates. We can use different kind of mates to assemble components. But I think to assemble this we will need an advanced mate. So we go to mate, select advanced mate, and use the width. Our selections will be this face, and this face, and also this face, and this face. And let me check. Now you can see that, sorry, now you can see that it is mated to that region, and we want to mate this face to this face. Sorry, I didn't select mate this face with this face. Check. And we select okay, we want to bring in another door. We do the same thing. Mate, advanced mate with select our width selections. Yeah. Check. Sorry, standard mate, not perpendicular. Coincident. Yeah, check. And then we have our model of the shell. Don't forget to like and share our video, and please subscribe to our channel for more videos on engineering design. Thank you for watching.